When dealing with a client with dry, brittle, chemically treated hair, we will use Shampoo Totale followed by Balsami Totale. Shampoo Totale is a moisturizing, reconstructing shampoo that contains jojoba oil, aloe vera, high in vitamins, as well as essential oils. Today we are going to shampoo our client with Shampoo Totale, starting off by rinsing the hair. We will shampoo our client twice with Shampoo Totale. Shampoo Totale is high in moisture, as well as it's a great cleanser. Be sure to massage Shampoo Totale from the root of your client's head to the mid-length and ends. We will shampoo our client twice with Shampoo Totale. Giving her extra cleanse. Being sure to massage thoroughly throughout her hair. Now we will thoroughly rinse the Shampoo Totale from our client's hair and apply Balsami Totale. Balsami Totale will leave your client's hair feeling nourished and moisturized, as well as giving it a silky, shiny, and smooth effect. When applying Balsami Totale, massage through your client's hair from scalp to ends. You could massage it on your client's hair for 3 to 5 minutes to give them extra conditioning, as well as a nice massage. Thoroughly rinse Balsami Totale from your client's hair. After applying Balsami Totale, style your client's hair as desired.